Alright, Year 9, I'm just having a quick look at another question that is similar to one on the assignment. Again, I've had to go to another textbook. Here we're going to find the volume of a trapezoidal prism. And I've selected this one here, 11B, from this textbook. And as you can see, it's very similar to our pool-shaped question. We have the shallow end of the pool, the deep end of the pool, the width of the pool, and the length of the pool. You'll notice for this that we do not have the length of the bottom of the pool, but we do not need it. So if you're using that for your calculation in the volume, I think you might have gone down the wrong track. So let's go over again how we find the volume of any prism, and it's the area of the cross-section times the height. I'm going to use a capital H for the height because the height refers to how many slices you can get or how far back it goes. And there's going to be another H in here when I do this, so I'm going to use a capital H for that indication of that variable. So the cross-section, well, the cross-section of this is a trapezium. And the height is how far back it goes. There's the height. So there's our area of our cross-section, that's our height. We're lucky, we know the formula for the area of a trapezium. It's a half H, there's that other H, A plus B, times our height back. Now, our height back, this distance, if I look over at the diagram, it's 6. That's how far back it goes. So that's 6. And our area, our dimensions on our trapezium, well, this is 3.5. This is 12.5. And this is 8. Now the 8 is the height, and the 12.5 and the 3.5 are the parallel sides. It's very important you get them in the right order or in the right position. So a half, and the height is 8. And the two parallel sides are 12.5 and 3.5. And I'll times that all by 6. So then I grab my calculator, and it's a half times 8 times 12.5 plus 3.5 in parentheses times 6. And I get 384 meters cubed. Now, there's a second part on our assignment because we asked for the volume in litres. And we need to know that 1 meter cubed equals 1,000 litres. So our capacity is 384 times 1,000. Now I'm in litres, converted from meters cubed to litres. Don't forget that little bit. So that should be all right. You should be okay with doing your volume of a pool.